I have a question. 60 divided by 10 over 3 times 3, and what will be the answer for this question? It is simple because this 3 and this 3 are cancelled, and this will be our remaining portion. 60 divided by 10, which equals 6. 6 will be our answer, but remember that this 6 is incorrect because we have not solved this question according to correct order. It means we have to solve this question again. We have division and multiplication. Remember that when we have division and multiplication, we have to move from left to right. Here in this case, division is at left, so division will be solved first. Mean this portion will be solved first according to KCF. What is KCF? Keep, change, flip. So keep, 60, keep, divide, change into multiplication, F, flip. So 10 over 3 is flipped to get 3 over 10, and it is 3. Cancellation 6. So we will get 6 times 3 times 3. This gives us 18 times 3, which will give 54. That will be our correct answer for this tricky math challenge. Thank you.